So this is pound dollar analysis for Monday, the 27th of August. Now let's just have a look at this and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had prices trend more recently to the upside. Had a test of that 28.79, did hold support initially. Had this moving towards the 129.40s or so, encounter resistance below the 129.50. We've had a bit of a pullback down towards a 128.79 and this 400 period moving average confluence. Had a brief consolidation there, sharp move to the upside, rejected in around at 129. We did see the subsequent break of the 128.79 taking us all the way down towards this 128 here, from which we found support. Had a break of the 400 period moving average, went on to a near perfect test of that 128.79, encountered a bit of resistance, and we're going to a bit of a consolidation here above this 400 period moving average. So if we kind of hold this 400 period moving average, looking for a move back down towards that 128, in around at 128, previously an area we found support. There is the added confluence of the 200 period moving average. It does increase likeliness in bullish bounce from that level. And if we do see that bullish bounce, we're then looking for a move up towards that 128.79, or possibly even breaking beyond that up towards that 129.83 or even that 130. Similarly, if we do hold this 400 period moving average, we're then looking for something similar to happen in terms of a test of that 28.79. If we can test and break, we're looking for a move towards that 29.83, that 130. And if we do have sufficient volatility to bring us beyond the 130, the very next level of note is at 130.37. Now to the downside, if we are not able to find that support in around that 200 period average, we're looking for the very next horizontal level of the 27.74, successful break from which we're then looking for a move back down towards this 26.73 here on the pound against the dollar. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart. So on this daily chart of the pound against the dollar, we can see here we've had price come down towards this 26.73, found support, saw this acceleration momentum here to the upside, broke above the 28.79, retested, did hold a support initially, but on the subsequent tests, we have seen a break of the 28.79, had a pretty bearish close a couple of days ago. And what we have seen is since then is a test of 28.79. We've had a rejection, and so far we do appear to be rejecting again. So we'll see if we're going to go into a bit of a consolidation and have a subsequent break, or if we'll break down from this 28.79, head back down towards previous area of support in around that 27.74 here on the pound against dollar. Before we go, we should possibly look at the weekly chart. So on this weekly chart, we can see here we've had price come up towards this 143. We rejected, pullback tested, rejected. Show sharp acceleration to the downside, brief consolidation downwards, and we saw another move here to the downside on the pound against the dollar. Another accelerated move to the downside, tested at 26.73, I think it was. So let's just check that. Yeah, so we've tested at 26.73, from which we have seen that bullish buy side momentum come into the market, but we are having difficulty in around at 28.79 here on the pound against the dollar. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.